everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro. Now, as you do know, the first generation Camaros lasted from 1967 to 1969 before they went off to the split bumper. But going back to our fine little ride here, she has a beautiful yellow with black SS stripes on the hood, 2-inch cowl induction hood, has the aftermarket style chrome wheels on it, very mean to the bone, having a little rowdy 350 underneath the hood. Other than that, she's got nice power steering, nice power brakes, as we can demonstrate for you right now. Got the nice sound coming from the back, very powerful. But I may want to mention that this is an RS Rally Sport Edition, so it has the hideaway headlights as well as the gauges inside the console there, which makes this car actually safer, because back then you only had a light in the console. You could never tell if it was accurate or not. But other than that, she's a very fun little ride to drive. As you can see now, I'm not even holding the wheel, she's going pretty straight. And other than that, let you show the rest of the interior. If you'd like to see more cool cars like this, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our webpage, YouTube channel. Anyway, now we're gonna get it turned around and up on the lift. Please stay tuned.